Ladies and gentlemen, it's again a pleasant day today when we, as we always do, see brightness on the faces of the children or the people who are looking after our children out there in the community in the interior. So I want to, on behalf of Ministry of Education, welcome you all here today. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Prime Minister yesterday said to me that he would be able to make it today to do the handover. Unfortunately, in the morning he said that he had to do this small video clip like you do for UNICEF for this COP23 meeting, the Conference of Parties 23rd meeting. So he's now doing this recording for the COP23, so he has given his apologies and asked me to stand in. This is one of those initiatives of the Ministry of Education and our government to ensure that our children are able to access education. Managers, Mr. Perukitini and Mr. Seniloli, I want to assure you that we are gradually removing all obstacles to education. We want our children to have accessibility to education. We can have good quality schools, primary and secondary schools out in the interior, but we also want to ensure that children are able to reach the school. There have been obstacles, and I want to thank you for the endurance and patience for so long in trying your best to get the children to the school. But as we identify these problems, we then group together, look at finances, and try to ensure that we remove the hardship that you are going through in providing children the transportation to come to school. Today is a very happy day for the community and children of Undu Tukoya Lau, where the Navesi Primary School is located, as well as Ketaira Moala Lau, where the Uduai District School is located. I want you to pass a message to the parents there that while they're out of our sight, they're not out of our mind. In fact, every time when we look at development policies or think about allocating a particular resource, you are always on our mind. The children, the communities out there in the interior. Even this morning when Director of Finance sent an email to myself and Bure and some staff about the 632 mattress that we have received from a donor in a tourist boat. Immediately we said, get a list of all the schools in the interior and islands which has dormitory facility. We will give out these 632 mattress to these schools where the dormitories are. We're not going to give any mattress to any school in the urban area with dormitories. This is for those public, private schools in the interior where they're running these dormitories. This is where this mattress will go. So I want to tell you that you are always on our mind, the schools in the interior maritime division. Wherever it comes to resource allocation, we look at allocating more resources to you because we want to ensure that gradually, very soon, we want these schools to have the same quality of infrastructure, same teaching and learning environment as schools in the urban area. So with these words, it's my pleasure today to formally hand over this boat and engine and the engine to the two schools. And we want to tell you that this boat and engine signifies a journey towards prosperity to your children and the households associated with the children. We do hope that you look after this boat as your own boat and ensure that it is utilized for the purpose of school, as well as transportation of teachers and students to the nearby medical facilities as well. So I want to assure you again on behalf of Honorable Prime Minister and our government that we are here to provide a reasonably good learning environment, good learning experience for our children in the Interior Maritime Division. And we want to tell you that we are ready to then take these children from primary to high school to our testing institutions here. And we want to assure you that these days are days of a brighter future for the children. Those days are gone where parents used to struggle about how they're going to make ends meet when it comes to the children's education. So, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Ministry of Education, our Permanent Secretary, our Deputy Secretary, and our staff, on behalf of our government, I want to thank the managers for making it here today. For so long, you've been traveling, you've been waiting for so long. I want to thank you for your patience today. It's a good day for your community, and thank you very much for coming here today. And want to thank you for your selfless, unpaid time and resources that you are sacrificing for our children. Thank you.